Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make the Singapore Sling. The Singapore Sling is a very popular drink, but unfortunately the original recipe was lost quite some time ago. And then many bartenders put efforts and try to recreate the drink based on what they remember or how people remember the flavor profile of the drink, etc. And that is one of the reasons why if you order the drink in different places, there is a higher probability the flavor to slightly vary from one place to the next. Today I will go with, I believe, the most common recipe nowadays. And as you can see, there are quite a few ingredients involved. So let's not waste more time and start with it. We need a shaker. So we take our shaker, and into our shaker we need 1.5 ounces of gin. That's a little bit, maybe slightly more. Then we need 1/2 ounce or 15 ml of cherry liqueur. Quarter of an ounce or 7.5 ml of Benedictine liqueur. The same amount of 7.5 ml or quarter of an ounce of Cointreau orange liqueur. One dash of Angostura bitters, three ounces or 90 ml of pineapple juice, and a quarter ounce or 7.5 ml of lime juice. Okay, let's add some ice to the shaker. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. Okay, then we're gonna serve it over crushed ice. Let's see how much of a mess I will make today. Okay. Since we're using crushed ice, I will not double strain. Okay, looks like my glass is a little bit too small. I miscalculated. And okay, let's make some space. For decoration, we need a pineapple and a cherry. Okay. Not the best decoration on the planet, but I assume it will work. And let's choose a straw. Okay, I will go with this one. So that is how we make the Singapore Sling. Let's give it a taste. It's really fruity and in my opinion, a little bit complex flavor. The first flavor, and in my opinion, one of the most strong, one of the strongest flavors, is the one of the cointreau. But then afterwards, you have some of the notes from the angostura. I notice kind of hints of cardamom. I notice a little bit of the herbal notes from the Benedictine, and of course the cherry and the pineapple. The gin, even if I believe give some additional complexity to the flavor, I cannot detect the gin as an individual component. I assume it got dissolved with the rest of the herbal and spicy notes to create this drink. I would say it's quite tasty and a refreshing drink. So if you are not scared of using quite a few ingredients, I think you should give it a try. Especially with the coming summer, I mean spring and summer in the northern hemisphere, I assume that will be a great way to celebrate the sunny days that are waiting ahead. So thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye everyone.